Now I'm going to show you how to use the Ancor Hex Lug Crimper. First thing I like about this is fairly compact. I can throw it in my kit bag, bring it down to the boat, and make a cable if I need to. This is adjustable. We're going to go ahead and open it up, turn it over, simply push on this right here. These are spring loaded and we can rotate these dies to the size of the cable that we need. Right now they're set on 4. I'm going to rotate this to 2. We're going to put the 2 right on top right there. We're going to rotate the other side as well. Now we're on 2 gauge cable right there. I've got a piece of 2 gauge right here. I'm going to grab a lug out of my kit. We'll go ahead and insert a lug on the end of this cable. I'll show you how easy this is to crimp cable with this tool. Right there, slide that right into the crimping tool like so. Put a little pressure on it, the right spot right there. We're going to crimp a lug right onto the end of that cable. Look at the positive connection that just made. That's a nice tight connection on there. We've got a lug right under this cable. If you want to put some heat shrink on there, you can. Those are the Hex Lug Crimpers from Ancor. You can find them online at gotomarine.com. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you next time.